If an imperfect smile has you hiding your grin, we want you to smile again now with the help of mini dental implants. Dr. Andrea Joy Smith wants to help her patients feel confident and comfortable with her dental treatments, and she joins us with how it all works. Welcome back, Dr. Smith.
Thank you, Desiree. Good morning.
Good morning. And Dr. Smith, how long have dental implants been in widespread use?
Yeah, dental implants have really been in widespread use since the early 70s. There was a doctor, a physician, who actually discovered that titanium actually fuses to bone. And with that discovery, that led to widespread use of implants. And prior to that, there were all different types of implants made out of stainless steel and different designs, but it's that discovery of titanium that fuses to bone that really led to its widespread use.
All right, and we're talking about the widespread use of dental implants, but what makes you so passionate about mini dental implants?
Well, for nearly 30 years, I've been practicing dentistry, and the thing that's always made me passionate and motivated is my desire to really solve unique dental problems. And for many years, patients that don't have a lot of bone or that suffer a lot of bone loss, they have not been candidates for dental implant treatment. And when mini dental implants became in widespread use about 20 years ago, I was so excited that I was able to help patients that would normally not be able to receive dental implant treatment. So my passion comes from being able to solve that very unique dental problem.
All righty, and can you describe for our viewers what mini dental implants are and the benefits of mini dental implant treatment?
Yes, mini dental implants are really just a smaller diameter size of a conventional implant. They are used to replace missing teeth. They're also used to stabilize dentures, and usually with a simple microsurgery and 1 or 2 short visits, the patient is able to have dentures that no longer require dental adhesives, or we can replace single teeth or even a full arch of teeth, and patients are not able or no longer have to deal with wearing dentures or denture adhesives and those things that make not having teeth very difficult. So they're used for as many as 1 tooth, 3 to 5 teeth, or an entire arch of teeth.
Oh, I'm sure your patients love the results and the outcome. And Dr. Smith, how long have you offered mini dental implants to your patients?
Yeah, I've been doing mini dental implants myself here in my office since about 2007.
Oh, wow.
And in recent years, I have become associated with this group called the International Academy of Mini Dental Implants, of which I am now the president for the next 2 years. And with that title comes with a lot of research. It comes with me being a diplomat in the academy, and it just allows me to advance this entire mini dental implant paradigm to something that would be much like the conventional implant paradigm that all dentists are usually used to. So since 2007.
Yeah, so for 14 years you've been here. And what makes mini dental implant treatment a good option for patients?
It's a really good option for those patients that don't have a lot of bone, patients who've been told that because of the structure of their bone, they are not able to receive mini dental implants. So this just opens up a wide variety of uses, and a lot of different types of patients can actually receive mini dental implants. And that makes it a good option because before now, there was no other option. It was either a denture or no teeth, or implants that did not really fit their needs.
Wow, we were looking at some of those before and afters of just some of the mini dental implant treatments you've done, and you see the significant difference. And we have a video
Absolutely.
of a very happy patient after receiving dental implant treatment. Let's take a listen.
I just want to thank Dr. Andrea Joy Smith for giving me my smile. I have not had nice teeth or a straight smile since I probably was in 3rd, 4th, 5th grade. I was so self-conscious about my teeth. But because of her treatment and her procedures, I now can smile. I'm proud of myself, and I encourage anybody to overcome your fears and come and see her and put your life back on track as it pertains to your dentistry.
Wow, Dr. Smith, what do you feel when you hear your patients say stuff like that, when they're really impressed with the work that you've done?
It is so heartwarming to think of someone who hasn't been able to be proud of their teeth since 3rd or 4th grade.
Yeah.
That is more rewarding to me than just about anything else. And so that is for my passion, my love for doing it, my joy for doing it. That is what it's all about. A patient like that, and I have a lot of them. To date, I've placed well over 7,000 mini dental implants, and I have a lot of patients that have that same experience, and it keeps me going for sure.
Wow. Well, you've heard it from her patients and her herself, Dr. Andrea Joy Smith. Always a pleasure having you on the show. And to get in touch with Dr. Smith about your dental needs, you can visit smileagainnow.com.